In the currency market today, the euro was down small. Quiet day ends up in the sixth of the last 7 sessions lower. Today was slightly lower, 12 basis points, so less than a quarter of 1%, low of about 111.01 and a half, high of about 111.29, low volume, low range. Overall, very quiet, although again, it is the sixth of the last 7 days where the euro has ended up lower. The Fed minutes here in the U.S. came out today and gave us no real revelations from the U.S. Fed as to whether they had any sort of excessive rate cut plans when that last meeting hit. They called it a mid-cycle adjustment. It certainly seems like it was a mid-cycle adjustment when you look at the Fed minutes. At least that's what they intended it to be. So it's all on the ECB now in terms of the next move in stimulus, and that is probably weighing on the euro. Several ECB governors and representatives have said that the ECB is prepared, given the weakness you've seen in Germany, given the weakness in inflation across the Eurozone completely, and all of the stresses that you see in the Italian political situation, that they're ready to hit the market with a decent-sized packet of stimulus. That is keeping the pressure on the euro. Again, even though today was down small, overall, you're not going to buy a quiet tape when it's in a bear market like this. There was no real news, no real data directly affecting the euro. So you look to the dollar and there was no revelation out of the Fed. And then lastly, Boris Johnson finally came forward. Boris Johnson, of course, the new UK Prime Minister, in his first salvo to the EC or to the EU about renegotiating this Brexit deal that Theresa May had an agreement with. They've shown no interest in that. So the euro has Brexit to worry about as well. And that's going to continue the pressure as well, unless the ECB surprises the market, which at this point, I'm not sure how much of a surprise they can do. It would have to be something really dramatic, since they've essentially already announced that it's going to be dramatic through channels, whether it be in the media or actual speakers. So euro weak again, unlikely to turn around unless something completely changes in the economic outlook for the ECB.